this is.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here and God bless you. Today's video is going to be on this hair. You guys, it is blonde. Like, I never wear blonde hair and I just wanted to do something different, like just do something different and just try something else out. So this unit is from Ywigs hair, and you guys, I'm still trying to get used to this blonde, okay? Let me just tell you a little bit about the hair. So this hair is a water wave Brazilian virgin hair, human hair. It is 24 inches with 150 density for the wig, and the hair color is 1B30. This is pretty bright, but I do like the fact that the roots are black. Now, as you can see, I literally just cut the lace and put this wig on for you guys, because me personally, when I watch wig reviews, I would always say to myself, like, I wonder what the wig looked like before they plucked it and customized it. So I wanted you guys to see like the wig for its like true self and, like, you know, without any work being done to it. So this is what the wig looks like when you take it out of the box. The hair is very soft, and I like that a lot about this hair. It's very light too. Like, it's full on the head, but it's super light, which I definitely could appreciate, because I don't like when my wigs are just really heavy and weighing me down. I feel like it just makes me that much more hot, if that makes any sense. So I really like the fact that this hair is super light and fluffy. The lace color came in a medium brown as well, which is nice. It wasn't like super light. I got my cap size in a size large, just because I wasn't sure like how small the average would have fit, but I definitely feel like I could have got an average, but I got mine in a size large, and it is a lace front wig, okay? So the lace goes all the way to the ends. As you can see, I didn't glue the hair down because I wanted you guys to see, you know, just what the hair looked like in its natural state. Okay, so when you get your wig, you're gonna get it in this cute Ywigs hair bag. I thought this was really cute. Like, when I opened it, because obviously it doesn't come to you like this. It comes to you in like the package of like being it mailed. But when you open the package, you see a bag like this, and I thought that was just so cute. Like a little, you know, backpack type of thing. I thought that was cute. I don't know, none of the wigs that I ever got came like that, so that's why I thought it was pretty cute. So when you open it up, your wig does come into this box like this. Oh, it's upside down. So your wig does come into a box like this. Okay, so when you open it up now, your wig is going to be covered in this mesh, you know, nets to keep the wig nice and neat, and it also comes into this bag. So you'll be getting your wig in this bag, and then the wig will also be in the mesh knit as well. Also too, when you open the bag, you will also get, which I thought is like the cutest thing ever, and it's like so bomb, because all the wigs that I've gotten so far have never had these in the box. So I thought that was really nice. They give you the combs to sew on if you really need the combs for your wig, because I know some people like to have combs in their wig. Me personally, I like to have them on the sides, not so much at the top, but the sides I definitely think it helps a lot. So the fact that they give you two combs like to sew onto the wig underneath, I think that's really nice. And they also give you a band that you can sew at the back of the wig, so it could be more secure, which I love having bands at the back of my wig. I feel like just even that much more secure with my wig being on my head. So I love the fact that they came with these things, and it does come in just a little baggie with these things, which I think is like super bomb. Like, thank you Ywigs hair for doing that for us. Okay, and also too, when you open up your wig, the box, you will get a wig cap. I really don't always use wig caps. I use wig caps sometimes, not all the time, but yeah, I think wig caps are very good to have just in case that day, or like, you know, you want to wear a wig cap one day, or like maybe, you know, some wigs lay better with wig caps on. So I think that it's good to have a wig cap, and the fact that they gave you one is really nice as well too. So I definitely like that. Also too, with your wig, you'll be getting a returns and exchange policy right here, which I think that's really nice to have it just laid out in front of you, so you know exactly what you need to do when you want, if you want to exchange your wig or return your wig. So that's nice, because I know like some websites you have to go like deep into the website to find out like how to return something or how to like exchange something, which is super annoying. So I keep looking at the viewfinder, sorry guys. Which is super annoying. So yeah, I like that a lot. It gives you all the information you need right here. They have a lot of different wigs on their site, you guys, and I think that you will definitely like it. When I saw this wig, I was like, yes. I did see it in black, but I was like, let me try a color just to see like how I would like it. And honestly, looking at it more and more, I am liking this color on me as I like sit here and like see myself more and more with this wig on. I've never done color before, okay? Like it's always just been strictly black. But I am actually liking this. I know that like once I like customize the frontal and stuff and lay it down, like I just know that it's gonna look so good. I know it's gonna look so bomb, and I'm super excited. You got to see my face. I was super excited to do that and to wear this wig. So the price of this wig right now, you guys, is going for $87. Now I don't know about you, but $87 for a wig that is a real human hair lace front Brazilian 24 inches wig is bomb. So yeah, there is a sale going on. It used to be $122 and now they brought it down to $87. So if you guys want to get this wig, snatch it up, because honestly this wig is like I just know that when I like master it and like, you know, I pluck the frontal and I glue it down, like I just know it's gonna look so bomb. So yeah, the fact that it's on sale right now, you guys, you need to go and grab this wig. Like seriously, I'm not even saying that because, you know, they sent the hair to me. Seriously, you guys, this hair is actually really nice. Like I don't know, do you guys see the curl pattern of this hair? And it's just so fluffy and like neat, and it's not like weighing down. It's just, I don't know, I just love it. And if you guys don't like blonde, you can always get it in black. Like you don't have to get it in blonde. It comes in black. I think it comes in another color too, I'm not sure, but I know it comes in this color and it comes in black. And oh my gosh, I'm just obsessed with this. Like I honestly, when I first tried this wig, I didn't have any makeup on and I was looking like hella dusty, hella crusty, because I was in my house all day, and I just put the wig on and then I was just like, oh my god, it does not look good. But now that I have like my makeup on and like, you know, wearing clothes and stuff, like I don't know, it just looks so, you guys tell me, I don't know, I just love it. Okay, so I do have a coupon code for you guys, and you guys can use my name, Janielle, at your checkout. I think that will be more of a discount than what the wig is already right now, so I'm not sure exactly, but you guys go and try that if you're gonna get this wig. Like put my code in and see if you get even more dollars off of the wig, because that would be super bomb. Like it's already $87, and then to use my code and get more dollars off the wig, like that's a pretty bomb. It's not an affiliate link. I do not make any money off of you guys using that code, so that's strictly for you guys. So you guys use the link to see if you'll get more dollars off the wig. I will also put all other information down below in the description box, and I'll put a link to this specific wig as well, because I want you guys to buy this specific one, because this one is so nice. So yeah, I'll put a link for you guys to buy this specific wig down below. And yeah, so that is it for this wig review. Thank you so much to Ywigs Hair for sending me this wig. I'm obsessed. If it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't have tried this color. Honestly, I'm just so happy that I did, because it's gonna make me be more open to trying other colors. So yeah, I'm so happy. So again, thank you so much to Ywigs for sending me this wig. I absolutely love it. You guys, the length is just so nice. Like I don't know if you guys can see the length of this hair. That's the length of it. It's super long. It's not super long, but it's a good length. You know what I mean? Like it's good enough. So yeah, that's the length. Oh, this hair is just, oh my gosh, you guys, it's just, I'm feeling it so much. But yeah, anyways, thank you so much again to Ywigs Hair. I'm losing my train of thought because I'm just like obsessed with the way I look right now. And yeah, guys, so go ahead and check them out. Try to take advantage of the fact that this wig is on sale right now. And I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys in my next video. God bless you guys. Mwah. Bye.